From a distance, this place looks like a sleeping giant. Ivy clinging to its broken walls, windows smashed and hollow, the once proud chapel spire leaning against the night sky. But step closer, and the silence begins to press against you. Locals say the buildings are not truly abandoned, only waiting. Once alive with chants, hymns and laughter, the Abbey ceased to be used, and something else took hold. They say the inhabitants never left, that their spirits linger in the cloisters, restless, bound to the place by faith or something far, far deeper. Visitors talk of strange sounds in the dead of night, footsteps pacing along rotting floors, doors that creak and slam without a single breath of wind, and the faint ghostly toll of a bell that hasn't rung in 40 years. The chapel is the heart of the haunting. Some claim to hear the pipe organ still playing deep notes, echoing through the rafters, through the keys are broken and covered in dust. The overwhelming sense that you are trespassing, not in a ruin, but on a resting place. Even outside, the grounds are no safer. People have glimpsed hooded figures drifting between the trees, their shapes dissolving into the mist when followed. Dogs refuse to enter the ruins, whining and pulling back in fear. Others have sworn they saw a shadowy figure kneeling in prayer, only for it to vanish when the candles flicker out. Dare to enter and you will feel it too, the sudden drop in temperature, the sensation of eyes fixed upon you from the darkness. Those who have entered at night never speak lightly of it. Some leave before the dawn, pale and shaken, unwilling to describe what they saw or what happened to them in the shadows. Abandoned, haunted, waiting. Step inside and you may find that the dead do not always rest.